Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best litter mat on the market for waterproof scatter control, the Vokolesd cat litter mat. Whether you're tired of sweeping up trails of cat litter or constantly wiping up spills around the litter box, this might just be the solution your home needs. So let's jump right in and take a close look at what makes this product stand out. First, let's talk about the material. This mat is crafted from high-quality silicone, which is a game-changer for cat owners. It's soft and gentle on your cat's paws, but don't let the softness fool you, it's built tough. The mat boasts a substantial thickness of up to 0.63 inches, which not only adds durability but also improves its ability to trap litter and stay in place. And being waterproof means no more worrying about urine leaks or water spills soaking through and ruining your floors. Now let's consider size. The Vokolesd litter mat measures a generous 38 by 25 inches. That's a lot of ground coverage. Whether your cat is a neat exit walker or tends to leap out of the box like it's on fire, this mat catches the majority of scattered litter. It's wide enough to sit under most litter boxes and still provide extra space around the edges for maximum coverage. This large size is one of the key reasons it keeps your floors cleaner, longer. One of the clever design features here is the raised textured surface. As your cat steps out of the litter box, this textured pattern grabs onto litter particles from their paws. This effectively prevents those annoying trails of litter that typically end up across your house. It's a simple but smart feature that makes a noticeable difference in daily cleanliness. It's easy, really easy. You can shake it over a trash can to remove loose litter, wipe it down with a damp cloth for a quick refresh, or give it a full rinse with water. Since it's silicone, debris doesn't cling to it like fabric mats. It just falls off or rinses away. This design also makes it ideal for other messy spots around your home, like under a coffee machine or pet food bowls where spills and stains are common. Now here's a fun twist. The Vokolesd mat includes a built-in cat tease stick. It's tucked into one corner and serves a dual purpose. While your cat is stepping on or near the mat, the toy grabs their attention and encourages them to stay on the mat a bit longer. That means more litter falls off their paws before they go roaming around your home. Plus, it adds a playful element, giving your cat a little entertainment while they go about their routine. To sum it all up, this litter mat isn't just a floor protector. It's a thoughtfully designed, multi-functional product that makes life easier for both you and your pet. From its durable waterproof build to its effective litter-trapping texture, and even the playful addition of a cat tease stick, it checks all the boxes for a clean, cat-friendly home environment. That wraps up our product critique review. If you're tired of stepping on rogue litter particles or cleaning up after your feline friend every few hours, the Vokolesd cat litter mat might be the upgrade your setup needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the links below for more honest product breakdowns.